Question number 14 is what? Cosec A upon cosec minus cosec A minus 1 plus cosec A upon cosec A plus 1 is equal to sec square A. Is it? 2 sec square A. Okay. So it is 2 sec square A. Okay. So we take LHS, that is, so if I take in LHS cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus 1 cancel out, cosec A bracket cosec A plus 1 plus cosec A bracket cosec A minus 1, right? So what you do here, this is cosec square A plus cosec A plus cosec square A minus cosec A upon difference of 2 square, so cosec square A minus 1 square, right? This plus and minus is cancelled out, so you get how much? 2 cosec square A upon, this will convert into cosec square A minus 1 is equal to cot square A, right? So it becomes cot square A. So we write here cot square A. Now if you do it like this, 2 into 1 upon sine square A upon cos square A upon sine square A, right? So this sine square A and sine square A is cancelled out, and you will get 2 into 1 upon cos square A, that is equal to 2 sec square A, and that is equal to RHS. So this is, we get RHS, right? We have done this. Okay, next should I rub?
Yes.
This is part 1. Now question number 14, part 2. What is that? Cot A, we get cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cosec square A, 2 cos square A minus 1 upon sin A cos A. Oh, sin A cos A, right? So LHS is equal to cot A minus tan A is equal to cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon cos A, right? So what do you do? Sin A cos A, sin A cancel, it becomes cos square A. Ravi,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this is cos A cancel, it is minus sin square A. So it becomes cos square A minus bracket 1 minus cos square A upon sin A cos A. So now cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A upon sin A cos A. So they will be added together, right? This one and this will be added. So we get 2 cos square A minus 1 upon sin A cos A is equal to RHS. You get this?
Yes.
This is 14th second part. Huh? Now we come to question number 14, third part. Question number 14, third part is cot A minus 1, cot A minus 1 upon 2 sec square A. 2 minus, can you speak? 2 minus sec square A is
Yes.
equal to
Cot A
cot A
upon 1 plus 10.
cot A upon
1 plus 10 A.
1 plus 10A. Right? We get this? Okay. So we'll take LHS is equal to cot A minus 1 upon 2 minus bracket 1 plus 10 square A. Is it? So what you do now? Cot A minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus 10 square. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1. So cot A minus 1 upon 1 minus 10 square. Fine. 1 minus 10 square. Now what we will do? This is cos A upon sin A minus 1 upon 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. As you go.
Rationalize.
If we take cos A minus sin A upon sin A, right, is equal to cos square A. So it is cos square A minus sin square A. So you can write it cos A minus sin A upon cos A into cos square A upon cos A minus sin A and cos A plus sin A, right? So ये cos A minus 1 cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A is cancelled out, and this cos A is gone to this. So what you get finally, that is cos A upon cos A plus sin A. What you will do now?
square
Hmm?
dash plus
No. If we divide both by sin A, so it becomes cot A bracket cot A plus 1. This can be done. Hmm? What wrong we have? What wrong we did? We need 1 plus 10A that we are not getting. Hmm? What we are missing? if you solve this, how much you will get? Cos A upon sin A upon 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So it can be further cos A slash sin A upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. One thing I did wrong. There is cos A upon sin A minus 1 upon 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. There is cos A minus sin A upon sin A upon cos square A minus sin square A upon cos square A. You get this? So it means when we bring this, so this is cos A upon sin A होना चाहिए ना यहाँ पे? No? So here will be cos A minus sin A upon sin A into, this goes up, so cos square A upon cos A minus sin A bracket cos A plus sin A, right? So this cos A minus 1 and cos A minus 1 is cancelled out. Get it? Okay. We get A at the same time. Yeah, we get the same. You know, value same है. We can do it like this that RHS is equal to LHS. This is the one way we can have. You know, we can, if we do it like this, so this will be, you know, cos A upon sin A into cos A upon cos A cos A plus sin A, right? If we get cross multiplied, we get cos square A upon sin A bracket cos A plus sin A. This is RHS, and what happened with this? Here you also get the same value, right? Cos square A upon sin A bracket cos A plus sin A, right? So this is RHS and this is LHS, right? So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. This is the one way to solve this. Huh? Do you understand this much?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, up to here you understand, na? Okay. You just keep remember this, right? When I ask you, just tell me this, right? Should I rub? This is the one way. Yeah, could you tell me?
Cos square
Cos square A upon
sin
yeah, I know sin A bracket
cos
cos A
plus sin
cos A plus sin A. You get it?
plus
Okay. What do you do? You know, you can write it like this: cos A into cos A upon sin A into cos A plus sin A. Getting? So this cos A upon sin A converts into cot A. And both side dividing by cos A. Both cos A. Right? So what you will get here? Cot A cos A slash cos A upon cos A upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. You get it? This cos A and cos A is gone, and this cos A and cos A is gone. You get 1. Here you get 1. So when they multiply, so you get cot A upon 1 plus tan A. Right? So you get what? You get RHS. This is the way you can do this. Right? That way we can do either you solve, if you keep on solving, then you will reach at here. है one silly mistake I made when we take sin A ना, तो वो मैंने cos square A मतलब that should be cos A minus sin A upon sin A होना चाहिए. Sin A should be there. I write by mistake cos A. So because of that there was mistake. But now it is correct. It can be done like this also. Right? Okay. Should I rub?
Yes.
You done this?
Yes.
Very fast in copying, huh? Now question number 14, part 4. Question number 14, part 4. What is that? It came in 2022. 1 upon 1 plus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sin theta is equal to 2 sec square theta, right? So LHS is equal to, you take here 1 plus sin theta bracket 1 minus sin theta, right? 1 plus sin theta, so 1 minus sin theta plus this is cancelled, so 1 plus sin theta. Get it? Huh? So it is this 1 minus sin theta plus sin theta is cancelled out. 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and it is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta becomes 1 minus sin square theta, 1 square theta sin square theta. So we can write 2 upon cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, so we get cos square theta, and then that becomes 2 sec square theta. That is equal to RHS. You done this?
Yes.
Huh?